When a person eats fish, the journey inside the body begins. First, the teeth chew it into small pieces, mixing with saliva to make it easier to swallow. The food then passes through the esophagus and enters the stomach. Here, strong acids and juices break the fish down into a soft mixture, while the stomach muscles churn it carefully. Next, the mixture moves into the small intestine. Tiny finger-like villi absorb proteins, vitamins, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients flow into the blood, helping the body in many ways. Proteins build muscles, omega-3 supports brain function, and vitamins strengthen the heart, eyes, and overall health. But fish is not always safe. If it is spoiled or contains harmful toxins like mercury, these can spread through the blood and harm organs, such as the liver, kidneys, and brain. That is why choosing fresh, healthy fish is so important. It gives energy, strength, and protection to the body.